Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook glory green beans. We'll start by preparing about 1 pound of fresh green beans. First, trim off the tough ends from each bean. Then, give them a good wash under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. This simple preparation ensures your beans are clean and ready for cooking, setting the stage for a delicious side dish. Once your green beans are prepped, it's time to cook them. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, adding about 1 teaspoon of salt. Carefully drop in the green beans and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. If you prefer steaming, place them in a steamer basket over boiling water for 6 to 8 minutes. Both methods yield perfectly cooked beans. Now for the flavor. After draining your cooked green beans, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or heat olive oil in a pan. Add 1 clove of minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Toss the warm green beans with the buttery garlic mixture, adding a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. This simple addition elevates their natural taste beautifully. Your delicious glory green beans are now ready to serve. They make a fantastic side dish for almost any meal. For an extra touch, consider garnishing them with some toasted almonds or a sprinkle of fresh lemon zest. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently to enjoy them again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.